I like things that are easy in life. Anything that I could do to make my life easier, I'm all about it. I love watching beauty hack videos, but there's always that very obscure, questionable hack, DIY. Why does that work? I don't know. I decided to put together my beauty hacks and products that I actually love, that I actually use. These are my holy grails. Literally take this video like a favorites video, those OG YouTube favorites videos that I miss so much. By the way, if you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down. And that just kind of shows me what kind of content you're really into. I got these festive nails going on. I'm feeling very Christmassy. Vlogmas is currently going on my second channel, Natalie and Dennis Show. We're currently doing 25 days of vlogs with 25 giveaways. It's a fun time over there. You should really subscribe. And speaking of nails, I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by my one and only, literally my go-to drugstore product, Impress Press-On Manicure. Look at these beauties. I didn't do this myself. These are all Impress Press-On Manicure. This is my favorite drugstore product. I have stashes of these just in my drawers, ready for a little manicure emergency. And if you've paid close attention, you would have seen that I've worn these nails in so many, so many of my videos. They're my go-to lazy girl hack. It's kind of like a little secret of mine. I mean, yo, girl ain't got these skills. Like, let's just be honest. Or the time. That's why I resort to this. I just like something that's quick, easy, done. I got a quick, long-lasting manicure. First of all, I go crazy in the best way for all of the beautiful designs that they have. They're so aesthetically pleasing. You can have festival nail designs, really cool trendy matte nails, more simplistic, or even a little bit more extra nails. My favorite thing about these is they look so natural. I always get compliments on how natural these look. All you have to do is pretty much decide on a design that you like, but then just find the correct size for your nails. I like to separate mine by the order. Something that I also get asked a lot is, will these fit my nails? Each of these comes with 30 nails plus 6 different accents. There's a size in here for everyone. I can say that confidently. It comes with a little prep pad that I just use to remove any leftover polish or residue. Then I just peel off the backing and align it to my little cuticle. And all you have to do is press it down and bam, you are done. A great gel manicure in a matter of less than 5 minutes. They're so comfortable, which I really appreciate. They're very durable. I could use these for a good 5 to 7 days. And here's the best part. You don't need glue. You just literally press it onto your nail. It's good to go for like 5 to 7 days. I use these to help grow my real nails under. So whenever my nails under are looking janky, I'll put some of these on, I'll let my real nail grow under, and then once it's grown, I'll paint it. It's super simple to remove. It doesn't ruin your nail at all. I am obsessed with this product. Are you ready for the price? This is only $7.99. I have drawers of these.
They sell out, honey.
Get it while it's hot. I got 20% off for your first order. You click the link down below in the description. It is such a good deal. I'm about to go use my own code. You can get this now at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Ulta, Rite Aid, and ImpressManicure.com. And so I wanted to give back to you on Instagram. There's a little giveaway happening. Go check it out where I will be giving one of these to one of you. If you're interested, check the link down below in the description for more information on how to enter.
Dennis, can you please buy me some right now?
Seriously, use my code Natalie20 right now. Let's talk soap brows. You love them, you don't have them. How do models have them? This is how. Soap brows are everywhere. They are trendy, they're beautiful. They're just model-like eyebrows. Everybody wants them. So let me tell you how you do this. Literally all you need is a clear glycerin bar of soap. You wanna add some moisture on top of the soap. I like to take a little paper towel with water and just kind of rub it on the soap. That creates a nice paste. So then with the spoolie, you go in, rub it back and forth until it's kind of like a wax. And you just brush up, and bam, your eyebrows have grown. Is it sorcery? Is it witchcraft? It's soap brows, people. Then just go in, fill in your brows like you normally would, and you will thank me later because the heavens of the brows have opened up. Roll-on body fixative. Why did nobody and their mama tell me about this? If you've ever had little tube tops, little dresses, maybe socks are falling off, your bra, your shirt is falling off the side, get yourself some of this fixative. Think of this like a gentle glue for your body and your clothes. If you have a dress that keeps falling off, if you have a side strap that keeps falling off, all you have to do is roll this bad boy onto your body. It is gentle on the skin. I have very sensitive skin. It does not irritate me at all. It's amazing. You just gotta slap your clothes on and it will not move out of place. You can shimmy on anywhere that you want, dance it off like this, and you will stay put. Think of this like Spanx, but for clothes. Now, I don't let nobody touch my brows. I had to learn the hard way and kind of just figure out ways that I would enjoy plucking my brows, if that makes sense. I don't really like using tweezers. It takes too long. You're removing every single hair. I don't got time for that. So I found out this really easy DIY threading trick. You take one of these, I forgot what this is called. You take it, tie a little knot on it. Then with these 3 fingers, you put them through, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Now those little twists are gonna be your mini tweezers. You're gonna be working to remove every single hair. Then all you wanna do is with those 3 fingers, you're just gonna go go back and forth. This works so much better than tweezers. I don't know what it is with this method, but my hairs don't grow out as fast, which is amazing. So it's no surprise, unless it is, that I'm Hispanic. Colombiana, baby. I'm a hairy girl. Okay, well, you can't tell, right? No, I don't shave. I actually bleach it. I use this product, it's incredible. I've been using it since I was 15. It saves me so much time. This bleach literally lasts me 3 months. I don't have to do this for the next 3 months. You can leave the bleach on for longer to give you like a platinum blonde look, but I don't like that because I'm tan. Kind of let it fade to like a nice brown and it looks super natural. I just feel like it makes your arms pop out as opposed to your hairs. You know what I'm saying? I highly recommend it. It's also not as harsh on your skin as it would be with shaving, but also make sure you always do a patch test just in case you're allergic. This has been a game changer for me because I grew up not really understanding everybody has a scent down there. It's natural. But when it starts to get a little bit, you know,
Cray, cray.
sorry to my editor who's currently editing this and is like, wait, I did not sign up for this. You know, if you go to the restroom, if you're on your period, if Mother Nature's kicking your butt, it's nice to stay tidy down there. I love these wipes. They're amazing. You can use them when you got diarrhea. You can use them when your period is blasting everywhere. It's just amazing. It's a product that I always like to keep in my purse. It's a game changer. If your breath is kicking, honey, don't let that be you. Let's say you skip the toothbrush. Let's just say your breath just stinks. This product, you can carry it anywhere. You can remove any type of little junkies that you have in there. Refresh your breath right after lunch, breakfast, dinner. It's just a good product. Ingrown toenail. Why do people not talk about this? I struggled with this so much. If you're very active or you play sports, or if you just wear very tight shoes, you might experience ingrown toenail. Even if you get a bad pedicure, your toenail can grow inward and it is hella painful. So this is what you do. Grab a little cotton ball, you take a little piece out of it, you crumble it between your fingers, you grab one of these little tools for your toes, and then you stick that under the nail that is digging at your skin. What this is gonna do is it's gonna put pressure up on the nail that the nail doesn't keep growing in. So it'll start to grow up normally as it should. This is what they call an internal deodorant. If you just wanna wake up smelling incredible, drink chlorophyll. It's incredible. I like to add it in my water. It's so refreshing in the mornings. This really helps with your internal smell. It's not just like a topical thing. It's something that is now within you. You're gonna start smelling really great. Caution, don't get this on your clothes. It is very stainy. Freckles. I love freckles. They're so cute. I did a Beauty Busters on this. If you don't know what Beauty Busters is, it's a series where I test out internet beauty products. And I tested out this product. It is amazing. It's still my go-to. Freckles just make you look like really cute and natural in the best way. Kind of like the sun's just been toasting on your skin for a while. I love that look. If you just want to play with your style, or if you just want fun little Instagram picture, you can use this product to create the cutest freckles. Kind of acts like little temporary tattoos, which makes it much more natural. Your girl doesn't get a lot of sleep. I'm running a full-time business here, people. If you wake up with your eyes very puffy, instead of just storing your face tools in your drawers, put them inside your fridge, a makeup fridge. I did a Beauty Busters on this in case you are interested. It's amazing. I love this product. All of your tools are in a really nice, confined, sanitary place. Keeps everything cool. They last longer. Everything is colder to the touch so that when you apply it on your face, it depuffs, it helps with swelling. Life-changing. This little trick, I've actually been doing this for years and I love it. I take my favorite perfume, I spritz it on my hair. Very minimally, so that throughout the day, anytime you flip your hair back in class and the boy that's behind you likes you, you know, you give them that nice little whiff. You're leaving a nice scent. And I feel like this does a lot more than just like clothing. Try this trick out. Let me know what you think. Silky headbands. These are my new fave. If you have really frizzy hair, use silky headband. It's very nice and light on the hair. It doesn't create breakage, which is very important. So you're preventing split ends. When you wake up in the morning, it's so great because it won't leave a dent on your hair, especially if you don't put it that tight. It just like slides right off. There's no pull, no breakage, baby. If you have little black heads, little white heads that you just want to pull out of your nose, but you want to do it the right way, okay? Get a little dental floss, just like that. And right after a nice hot shower, just literally scrape down. There's something about that pressure that's perfect for removing and just extracting everything in the best way possible without hurting your skin. So you're not digging your nail in, putting bacteria and infections that you might have on your nails. It's a nice little dental floss. You're removing it all and it is satisfying as hell.
Just so good. I love it.
I scar extremely quickly, so I recently came across this product. Literally like an instant filter, an instant tan. It blurs out out all of your imperfections, which are beautiful too, but not for this day. One thing is it does transfer a little bit, so be cautious if you're wearing white. Just let it sit for a bit. I use a little tool. You can also just use a typical blending brush, whatever works great. I would recommend using a bigger brush so that you're covering more of the area more seamlessly, but man, I mean, you tell me down below in the comments, like, do you see a difference or not? If you don't, you blind. So recently I've been playing around with different eye colors, but particularly I always find like lighter eye colors just don't look that great on me. So I've been playing with 2 shades lighter than my natural eye color. I find that this creates like a brightening eye effect, especially in pictures. It looks so beautiful. They're gonna be so much brighter on camera. It also looks a little bit weird because I have toric lenses. I have astigmatism and I haven't gotten the right lens for it. But anyway, it's gonna make your eyes appear brighter. You're gonna look more illuminated in pictures. Ever since I used a wet brush, I've never gone back. It is the best thing in my life. It has helped my hair get so healthy just because I'm not ripping at my hair. Also, I'm just really impatient, so I like to brush my hair when it's wet. I credit this brush for making my hair look like glass. Just shiny, healthy, no breakage. It's incredible. I like to brush my hair when it's wet, and this is the wet brush. It's incredible. It's gonna be your new best friend. It really is. If you like watching YouTube videos while you're doing makeup, here's a 2-in-1. Now you can watch your videos while doing your makeup, literally staring directly at the video and directly at yourself. It is the craziest thing of my life. This mirror is incredible. It works as a cool light. There's Wi-Fi involved. You can look at my Vlogmas channel videos on there right now. How many times have you had a moment where you're doing your eyeliner, you're just like looking away and bam?
That girl is no longer a sister.
It's made my makeup regimen so much easier and just amazing. If you want a very nice cut eye, like a really nice smoky eye. So what I do is I take a little piece of tape, I dab it on the back of my hand so that it removes a little bit of stickiness. I apply it diagonally, touching the end of my eyebrow. It gives you the nice Botox look. I can just go ham with my eyeshadow. I can really add color. I could add dimension. And when I remove it, it's a really nice sharp line. It makes your makeup look like much more put together. I have not gone back since. Also, if you have eyeshadow fallout, really simple, just take some tape and literally pat wherever the fallout is. This works so much better than if you were just to like go like this. You don't want to smear it off because what you're doing is you're kind of like blending it under your eyes and then you have crazy colors going on. And instead with the tape, it literally just grabs it. And then you can do little touch-ups and you're done. Applying eyelashes has never been easier since I bought this little tool. I used to do this with my fingers and my little fat chubby fingers just couldn't get the right angle. My eyelashes were always looking janky. Getting this little tweezer has been life-changing. Not only can you apply the glue on really nice and steady, when you're applying your lashes, you can actually maneuver it very nicely. Then you can press down the fake eyelashes to secure it all in place. It is amazing. How many times have you worn a white shirt and that foundation has gotten on that white shirt?
Not cool.
I know this trick sounds ridiculous, but it works. So pretty much all you do is you take a bag over your head and then you put your shirt through it and then nothing gets through. I know it seems dumb, but it works and I use it all the time. If you're not good at eyeliner at all, or if you're just running late and you want to have a beautiful bleakish brow, literally check out this video right here. I go way in depth on this. Is there little stickers that you apply onto your eyes and it just creates the most beautiful eyeliner that any makeup professional would give you, and you'd have to pay like $300. Instead, you're paying much less. So check out this video, it's really great. Little shaving hack, which some of you might already know this, but I genuinely use this every single time. If I don't have my shaving cream around me, I just use conditioner, okay? It does the same thing that it does to your hair. It makes your like hair silkier, easier to shave, and it just creates like a really nice, clean, sharp shave, which I absolutely love. It's essential. So these were my life hacks that I use on a consistent basis. Let your homegirl know down below in the comments, what is a life hack that you use that you actually swear by? Just so that you know, over on Instagram and Twitter, I'm currently doing $50 Amazon code drops, which means if you're following me and you have post notifications turned on and I tweet that code and you get that code, you automatically have $50 in your bank account. Also, over on Vlogmas, we're currently doing 25 days of vlogging with 25 giveaways. I've loved sharing my life with you guys. It's been so therapeutic for me to just be able to open up in a more unfiltered way. So thank you so much to everyone who has been a part of this Vlogmas journey, who has been engaging, commenting, loving, which is why I'm currently doing 25 days of giveaways over there. You should check it out. Thank you so much again to Impress Press Manicure for sponsoring this video. Seriously, you guys are my favorite brand. I love this. You guys need to get this right now. Use the code, go down below, get it while it's hot. This is gonna be your holy grail. And don't forget that I'm currently doing a giveaway over on my Instagram and giving you guys one of these. I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.